Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to make the most of Teamwork.com's task calendar. This is your complete guide for 2025. First things first, log into your Teamwork account and navigate to your project's dashboard. From here, click on the Task tab to open the task calendar. Having a visual representation of all your tasks and their deadlines can greatly improve your productivity and keep your team in sync. Now that we've opened the task calendar, let's get down to assigning tasks. Click on the plus sign on the date you want to assign a task for. Add task details like name, description, assignee, and due date. The reason we do this is to ensure every team member knows what they need to do and when they need to do it. Next up, we're going to color code tasks based on their priority or project. Click on the task, then select Color and choose your desired color. This helps us because it allows us to quickly identify high-priority tasks or tasks belonging to a specific project at a glance. Moving on, let's talk about setting up recurring tasks. Click on a task, then select Repeats and set how often you want the task to recur. This feature is a lifesaver for tasks that need to be done daily, weekly, or monthly. Now let me explain why this matters. With recurring tasks set up, you don't have to manually enter the same tasks over and over again. It's a real time saver that helps maintain consistency in your workflow. The final step in mastering the task calendar is integrating it with your other calendars. Go to Settings, then Import and Export, and choose Sync to Calendar. Choose the calendar you want to sync with, and you're all set. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com will automatically update your chosen calendar with the tasks from Teamwork. This way, you can keep track of your tasks even when you're not on Teamwork.com. So to quickly recap, we've navigated to the task calendar, assigned and color-coded tasks, set up recurring tasks, and synced with an external calendar. By maximizing these features, you're well on your way to becoming a task calendar pro and boosting your team productivity. And that's it. You now know how to make the most of Teamwork.com's task calendar. Thanks for tuning in. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you next time.